Good morning, friends. Today we'll be again building a file geodatabase, but with a different approach. We'll use the R toolbox to do so, and we'll also be including a raster dataset as earlier. But in this case, in the earlier case rather, we had created a file geodatabase from the R tool catalog, and then we had imported the raster dataset, or we could have imported any feature class. But right now, in this particular method of today, what we'll be doing is we will have the R toolbox as a method of creating a file geodatabase, and at the same time we'll be including the raster dataset by exporting the raster dataset rather than being imported. We will export the raster dataset from its current location to the file geodatabase. So let's directly go inside it. We click the R toolbox, click open the data management tool, come to the workspace and go for create file GDB. Double click upon it, give the file GDB location where you want to create the file GDB. For example, I have taken this location, so I will copy the path. I will give the location and I can give a name. For example, I will give P_GDB. That will be all for the time being, and I will hit OK. It will be formed very soon because there is nothing great about doing it, so it has been formed already. We can double click to make sure that it is there. Fine, it's there. Now what we'll do, we'll be including the raster dataset. So we take the position of the raster dataset, we copy its path, we can go to our catalog, we will paste to highlight its presence, and here is our up1.tif. We will right click, we'll go to export, we'll go to raster to different format, export to different format, and as we see that the input raster location is correctly highlighted, but the output raster dataset location must be given. So we want it to be inside this P_GDB, so we'll copy its path location and we will paste it. We'll paste it here and let it be up1 copy raster. That's it, and we will hit the OK button. Again, it will be formed. It will soon be pushed inside the file geodatabase from its present location. It will be copied. So this was rather the reverse method than earlier. As we can see that it has already been done. So I don't think it's a pretty color to see. It's better. We can be sure that it's there. So to be pretty sure about the presence of the raster data inside our P_GDB, we can, yeah, it's there as we can see. So that will be all for today. Thank you.